Hello friends, welcome to my channel World of Physical Chemistry. Today we will discuss about the concept of rate constant. To understand this concept, I will consider two simple reactions. The first simple reaction, the reactant A, it gives the product. Now for this reaction, we will set up the rate law. What is the rate law? It is nothing but an mathematical expression which gives the relationship between how the rate of reaction is related with the concentration of reactant. That is, we can write rate is directly proportional to, for formation of product, it is depends on concentration of reactant. Therefore, rate is directly proportional to concentration of A. Replace the proportionality sign with equal. Therefore, rate is equal to, consider some constant, here we consider K into concentration of A, where this K is called as proportionality constant, further which is called as a rate constant of a chemical reaction. I am caption as expression number 1. Consider another reaction in which two reactants are combining to give the product. Now we have to set up the rate law for formation of product. Therefore, rate is directly proportional to, in this example, this formation of product depends on concentration of A as well as on concentration of B. Therefore, rate is directly proportional to the concentration of A and concentration of B. Therefore, we can write now rate is equal to, we can replace now proportionality sign with equal. Therefore, to consider again some constant, that is here we K into concentration of A into concentration of B, where K is the proportionality constant, further we call as a rate constant of a chemical reaction. Equation number 2. That is, from expression number 1 and expression 2, rate is equal to K into concentration of A and rate is equal to K into concentration of A into concentration of B. Now we have to show that this rate is equal to K. From expression 1 as well as from expression 2, we have to show rate is equal to K. At what condition this rate is equal to K? For expression number 1 and expression number 2, when the concentration of this reactant is unity, then this rate is equal to K. That is, if concentration of A is unity, then expression 1 implies that rate is equal to K. But at what condition? If the concentration of reactant is unity, that is 1. And for expression number 2 implies that rate is equal to K. When it is K for expression number 2, when the concentration of A is equal to concentration of B and both are unity, then we can say that the rate of reaction is equal to K, and it is nothing but the definition of rate constant. That is, rate constant of a chemical reaction is defined as rate of reaction at a given temperature when all the reactants are at unit concentration. It is called as a rate constant, and for this reason this rate constant is also called as specific reaction rate, because it is specific. At unit concentration, the rate is equal to rate constant. Rate constant of a chemical reaction depends on two parameters. The first one, the nature of a chemical reaction and the temperature. Now, what is the unit of rate constant? Remember, the unit of rate constant depends on the order of reaction. What will be the order of reaction? On that, the unit of rate constant depends. One should be careful not to confuse with the concept of rate of reaction and rate constant of a chemical reaction. Rate of a reaction is nothing but the change in concentration of reactant or product with respect to time. While the rate constant of a chemical reaction is simply a numerical measure of how fast a reaction can occur if the reactants are brought together at unit concentration. This is all about for the concept of rate constant.